Hi everyone, Chris Button here with Mayfield Toyota. On today's Learn More video, we're going to be discussing brand new Apple CarPlay on the 2019 Rav4. So, first things first, needs to be plugged in always. So, once we do that, on the screen, it's going to tell us that it's ready to go. We're going to select Always Enable, and you're going to see Apple CarPlay shortly. All right. And here's a bunch of apps that are already familiar to you. What's nice is that you can make use of all the apps here by using Siri Eyes Free. Get directions to the Winspear Center.
Getting directions to Francis Winspear Center for music.
Yep, it's just that easy.
Starting route to Francis Winspear Center for music.
Awesome. This is also your home button as well. And again, you can use Siri for all the other apps that you see here. If you wanted to play a certain song or a playlist, if you wanted to call one of your contacts, listen to your favorite podcast, everything again can be done through Siri. So the user experience is really fantastic. And that is a quick rundown of Apple CarPlay.